Good morning, all. Today is my father's birthday, and if you ever had the dilemma of like, hey, what do I get the guy who's got everything? You don't buy him anything. You make him something. So yesterday I was tootling around the woods and I cut up some old stumps because I have for years made these weird faces in stumps. And I know that seems like it makes me weird, but you're right. I have this endless pile of bones and teeth and feathers and quills and claws. It's crazy. Because when I get an animal that I'm cleaning for somebody, I typically don't like to waste any of that. And what do I do with it? Most of the time I throw it in a jar and set it on the shelf. And if I ever need a replacement tooth or something like that, I'll have it. And then we're going to put together kind of a crazy looking face for my dad's birthday. Thanks for watching. I got it.